For those of you that want to start content creation, but you don't know how to start and where to start, follow me. Let me guide you because it will really help you. So I have set up an office for myself. This is my office now. You can start small and grow big. So if you have chosen a niche, for those of you that don't know what is a niche is that pattern of content that you want to be creating. Okay, and I will do you a favor to list some for you so that you will choose. But first of all, tell me congratulations in the comment section for my new office. Okay, this is my new office. Now you can choose a particular niche and concentrate on it. Okay, there's still something we call sub niche. All right, a sub niche are those niche that are related to your original niche, so you cannot concentrate on only one niche. You can join like 2 or 3 niche. All right, now you can do comedy skits. All right, you can do comedy skit. You can do street interview. Street interview is also a niche. You can do prank. You can do family content. You can do games. You can do eating competition. How many have I mentioned? About 6 now. Now you can combine some, like can combine comedy skit, combine games, combine eating competition. You can even combine street interview. You don't know the one that will pick. Don't stand like a tree. Okay, now if you've gotten a niche, the next thing you need to get is your exercise book. Look at all these things. They are all my content that I've written, a lot of them. You get exercise book because short pencil is better than long memory. Any content that comes to your mind, what you will do is to write it down. Anyone that comes again, write it down. You can get more than 20 content a day, depending on how you want to get it. You can get more than 20 a day. You can get like 30 content a day, but your memory will not contain all of them. What you will do is to do what? You write them down. You write them down. Now, so many of you have Facebook and that you converted to professional mode. If you want to do content very well, create a page. Forget about that your professional mode. Forget about that your profile that you converted to professional mode. I will tell you the truth. I don't care how it sounds. Okay, create a page. You can create a page from your profile, and if you turn your profile to professional mode because you notice that Nigeria is eligible for monetization, professional mode will not pay you like page. So create a page, real page. If you don't know how to create a page, I've done video on how to create a page. So create a page, learn how to edit video by yourself so that you will be consistent. Then make sure you post at least 1 video a day. 1 video a day. So now what will happen to those content that you've written down? Probably a day you've written 10 content. Tomorrow you write 5. Another day you write 3. At the end of maybe 1 week, you've gotten like about 50 content. Dedicate a day. Dedicate a day to shoot all of them. Okay, dedicate a day to shoot like 15 to 20 skits if you have the strength. Then edit all of them and keep. By the time you edit 20 videos, or 10 videos, you've gotten videos that you will be posting every day for the next 10 days. You will not be bothered. So that is how most content creators, you see them that these people are consistent. They upload every day. They are not shooting every day. They dedicate a day for that shooting and they burn themselves that whole day. Then the next day they might edit almost all the skits and keep it. Now when they keep it, they will be uploading every day one. You can even schedule them. Now, how will you grow your page? You can only grow your page by uploading consistently. Post frequently and consistently. That is the only way you can grow your page. Avoid buying followers. Avoid follow for follow. Those things will not help you. Those followers you will buy, they are not real followers. They are robots. The Facebook will dictate it and you will not be monetized. those follow for follow you are doing, if Facebook notice it, they will tag your page as spam. You are spamming the system and it will affect your page. This thing I'm telling you now is what people pay money to learn, but I want the best for you. That is why I'm teaching you this for free. Don't forget to get your exercise book so that you will write any topic that comes to your mind. You write it down so that you will not forget, so that whenever you want to shoot, go back to that your book. It's okay, I will shoot this one, and whichever one you've done, just tick it. Whichever one you've done, tick it. It will really help you. Okay, I say let me share this little information so that those that want to start will start, and those that have started but they are confused, it will strengthen them. Don't give up, keep pushing. Thank you very much. Please help me to share this video, comment and like. See you in my next post. Thank you very much.